Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with Bitget Exchange, and we are going to exploring about there is also the stock that is in the future voice, and we can also show you about market analysis. If you are beginner, then how you can get started with that, because there are also stock and stock with future trading. Even there are also our tokens we are going to show you in a fully deep dive review. So after coming on the Bitget Exchange, you can download their wallet and get started after. Download the app for smoother experience, and you can also use it on the web version too. There is also like protection fund, and here is also the proof of reserve with back ratio 1/1, and here's also the cold storage wallet. That means you can download Bitget wallet too. So start your trade in the crypto, stock, and copy trading. So it depends on you. So download right now, and I am also going to show you how to create an account. For that, you can get the link in video description. And after that, you can also put your email address at this place and give the referral code I will provide in video description, accept the terms and condition. And then you can easily go ahead and put a password of 6 digits. Your account will be ready. Next, we are talking about there is also Bitget a stock perp. There is also different way. What we are thinking about, like some R tokens, don't be backed, and here what are the reason behind. We know our tokens are backed by 1/1 ratio, and there are also some stock you can easily check out now. Some stock on Bitget is available, and further you can also check some more details why our tokens joined the back, because there each R token is backed 1/1 and in a real share, so it mirrored their stock price exactly, does not de-back. And as there is also real stock and comparison, you can easily check out. There is number 1, price 1/1 ratio real time peg, and track the real stock price on the Bitget with real asset. So you can easily check out. There is Amazon, there is also Tesla, Apple, and many other share. So you can easily get in the US stock depth if you come here in the R tokens, like here is R token US stock. And you can easily get the NVIDIA tokens, like there is also. You can also search, and a token will be given here. You can also find more details here. There are many other tokens that are available in the stock section that you can easily check, like there is sports section, there is R tokens that you can easily get that. And it is also the TradFi US that you are going to choose, like if I am going to open any one of them. Now guys, you can easily check out there is that's the Mad Income US stock, and his trading pre-market for like it is available right now, and you can also go in the sports section to get our tokens a list here. All these are available, you can easily search to. Further, you can also come here back and you will see this is the number 1 trading R 24/7 team is available, no market close on the Bitget. You can start. You can also start in the stock perp trading too. This is available whenever you want. Open your Bitget app, come in the section of there is also the trading TradFi. Actually, there is sport trading. You can easily search and select your company share and then start your trading. And it is also buy selling option too. You can also proceed with that. Next, you are coming with the number 1 capital efficiency. There you can easily get earn pro margin TCA on one asset. It is available. So be ready to get a start in the market of Bitget Exchange for spot, real stock exposure, crypto lower flexibility. Link in my video description so you can start your new app agent. And here are also the stock related details that you will check out. Here is also the more like SpaceX. There is their amount change, what was the price, This is available anytime when you want. You can start trade worldwide. So get started quickly. This is available right now. Link in my video description so you can easily check some question answered here, because this is available in the stock of future contract right now in the stock token indices. So if you have to sign up, link in video description, create the account, start your new epic journey. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you in next video. Till then, start your new epic journey and share your experience in the comment box.